There's something about getting on a motorcycle that makes the world feel bigger and at the same time a little more personal. Recently, I took a ride out to Mineral Wells, Texas, and it wasn't just a trip from one place to another. It was an experience that reminded me why I love being on two wheels.
When there's a storm raging in your soul, you gotta thank God that you're still growing old. If them demons you're fighting won't go away, drop on your knees and pray. Life can get hard sometimes, I know. You gotta get up and walk the straight and narrow.
There's a rhythm to riding that you don't really understand until you feel it. The wind, the sound of the engine, the slight lean into every curve, it all comes together like a kind of moving meditation. Every mile closer to Mineral Wells felt earned, not rushed. I wasn't just traveling, I was experiencing every inch of the journey. The ride started early with that quiet stillness you only get in the morning. The engine came to life beneath me, and just like that, the day began, not with noise or chaos, but with purpose. As I hit the road and the city slowly faded behind me, replaced with open stretches of Texas landscape. Out there, it's just you and the bike and the road ahead.
When they're chasing you down with an old bloodhound and you're running through the fields for your life, you gotta get up, son, I know they're gunning for you. When they're chasing you down with an old bloodhound.
My thumbnail is like getting very irritated, which is crazy because I did not cut my thumbnail that short, so I don't know why it's getting very irritated. We threw the hoodie on. It feels good without the hoodie, but at the same time it's so hot that I don't want to get sunburnt, so we're just gonna deal with it. So yeah.
When they're chasing you down with an old bloodhound and you're running through the fields for your life, you gotta get up, son, I know they're gunning for you.
I'll try. I got a little sideways right there. It actually feels really good with the hoodie on now. Like, don't get me wrong, it's windy, so it feels nice, but at the same time, it's like, you know, it feels a whole lot better with the hoodie on right now.
Don't let the thoughts of yesterday crowd out the visions of today. Don't let your past define your name. We will all be judge the same someday. Life can get hard sometimes, I know. You gotta get up and walk straight and narrow. When they're chasing you down with an old bloodhound and you're running through the fields for your life.
Yeah, I'm just enjoying the scenery, taking pictures. Yeah, a little bit. I appreciate it. Yes, sir. Thank you. You have a good day.
You gotta get up, son. I know they're gunning for you. Chasing you down with an old bloodhound and you're running through the fields for your life. You gotta get up, son, I know they're gunning for you.
As I got closer, the scenery started to change into rolling hills, wide skies, and that rugged Texas charm began to just take over. By the time I started rolling into mineral wells, it felt like I had stepped into a place where time just slows down, just enough to let you breathe. I took a moment to stop, look around, and appreciate not just where I was, but how I got there. Because the thing about riding a motorcycle, the destination is never the whole story. It's the road, the ride, and everything you feel along the way that matters. This trip reminded me that sometimes the best way to clear your head isn't to stop moving, it's to keep going. To follow the road wherever it leads, trust the journey, and enjoy the freedom that comes with it. And honestly, there's nothing quite like that.
When they're chasing you down with an old bloodhound and you're running through the fields for your life. You gotta get up, son, I know they're gunning for you.
Alright. Mineral Wells, Texas is a city known for its historic mineral springs, which gained fame in the early 1900s for their supposed healing properties, leading to the boom as a health resort with landmarks like the Baker Hotel. Today, it's revisiting its historic downtown, embracing its wellness capital of Texas designation, and offers attractions like the famous mineral water company, like Mineral Wells State Park and Clark Gardens, blending in rich history with modern recreation. It was settled in 1877. The city's fame began when the founder, J.A. Lynch, discovered the mineral water cured his. However, the water, which particularly from the Crazy Water well, was bottled and sold nationwide, attracting visitors seeking cures for various elements. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Mineral Wells is honestly not a bad looking town. It's actually pretty cool. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to the Baker Hotel. Yeah. I think.
Well, I just saw a fucking bike that looks exactly like it. And it's like a dude who's like, who looks kind of skinny. He's wearing a white shirt. And he's almost here. Where are we?
My ring. God. Well, I can't go this way, so that sucks. Fucking cop rolls up. Sir, what are you doing? Hey, I'm just a tourist, alright? It's real bumpy over here. Real bumpy over here. Tell them there's a little house for rent there. It's cool. I don't know if I would want to live like so close to a haunted hotel. Woo! Well, it's that time, ladies and gentlemen. It's that time to head on home. I hope y'all liked and enjoyed. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you think. And you know, Mineral Wells is such a beautiful place. A lot of people like to say there's ain't shit out here, but there's actually a lot. And I kind of like how it's small and condensed, and you know, you really don't have too much out here. I think that's the problem, is, you know, you get all these big locations and there's like too much to do. And yeah, I think it's nice out here. Next week we will definitely be doing a lot video, so we'll see y'all at the stunt lot next week. Yeah, we will see y'all at the stunt lot next week. Alright, well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye bye.